So I am here right now with my friend William, and we are in a parking garage near Dalhousie University.
Right on campus.
Right on campus. And the reason why we picked a parking garage is because my apartment has a really bad lighting.
Yes.
It's so awful. Orange. It's awful.
So orange. But it's still orange.
It's still orange.
Doesn't change.
See, if this footage isn't orange when we record this, it's because I color corrected it. So we're going to be talking about the benefits of moving to Halifax and going to Dalhousie University, and we're also going to be talking about some of the cons of going to Dalhousie University. So what's the student experience like at Dal?
Oh my god. Student experience. Okay.
You should speak up.
I'm an international student from China. Like I've been at Dalhousie for already 1 semester. Like here, before coming here, I've heard Dalhousie has like really small class size, so like not many people here, and yeah, I can tell it's not that huge as I thought before. It's like really small. It's kind of like a community feeling.
Yeah.
Like a lot of different clubs. Like your video, I remember you brought up like a lot of clubs.
There's a lot of
societies.
clubs. Yeah, a lot of societies, a lot of clubs. But it is small. Like it's really quaint.
Right.
And so, what do you do for fun at Dalhousie?
I do a lot of things. But I like reading. It's like spending my free time on books. Also, I go to clubs as well. Like first semester I went to judo club, but I didn't stick with that like pretty long because my schoolwork was so busy. And this semester I joined the debate society. Yesterday I just did my debate tournament, and a lot of people there. It was so much fun. We had a free food, free pizza, really fun events. We got a public speaking section as well.
The thing is, there's so many different ways to get involved. And you just moved from China. He's getting involved in debate societies. He learned English in 1 year. He's been on radio in Halifax. There's so much opportunity, and this guy is killing it. He's opened his own YouTube channel. You are just, I'm serious. I'm not even trying to flatter you. You're doing fantastic. So
No. I'm the worst debater in debate society for sure.
He says he's the worst debater, but he just moved to Canada. He's debating. He's in debate society. You know, people, they live here their whole lives. They can't go to a debate society. So that was my number one rule.
Try different things. Yeah, try different things. Push yourself.
Push yourself.
You can do it.
You can do it. We promise you can do it. Yeah. So if you're planning to move to Halifax, send us your questions. There's obviously a lot of perks of coming to Dalhousie. It's small. You get that teacher. You get to talk to teachers all the time.
Yeah,
one-on-one. So
no matter you're an international student or a local student, just this video is really informative. It's like you're gonna learn a lot of details about moving to Halifax, about like Dalhousie University. It's like overall.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Just subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
And subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
William
WZ. That's a stupid name. We're gonna change my name maybe.
We're gonna link your channel.
Yeah.
Description below. Thanks for watching.